Leuris Pupo kept his cool to win Cuba's first gold of the Olympics in the men's 25-meter rapid-fire pistol Friday. Pupo scored 34 to edge out India's Vijay Kumar, who took silver with 30. China's Ding Feng won bronze after being edged out by Kumar by 1 point in the final elimination round at the Royal Artillery Barracks. Russia's Alexei Klimov has set a new world record of 592 in qualifying, but struggled in the final after 2 low-scoring rounds early on, and eventually finished 4th after failing to make it into the final 2 medal rounds.